Dan Murphy, the Long Island Realtor here. Whether buying, selling, or investing in real estate, I can help you get to the closing table. It's still a seller's market out there, with housing inventory low and buyer competition very strong. This gives homeowners leverage to sell their home for the best possible terms. In this video, I'm going to give you 4 tips on how to maximize the sale of your house. The first tip, make the buyers feel at home. Take the time to declutter, put away all your personal items. You may even want to consider staging your home. By doing these 3 things could make it easier for the buyer to visualize themselves living in the home. Tip number 2, keep it clean. Although it's important to declutter, it's also important to keep the house clean and neat. Before the buyers come over, pick up the toys, make the beds, clean the dishes, and also make sure the house smells clean and fresh. The buyers will definitely remember the smell. These are ways to reduce distractions for the buyer. Tip number 3, give potential buyers access. Try your best to make your home available at any time for buyers to come through. That opens multiple opportunities for buyers to go from curious to eager. Tip number 4, price it right. Even in the seller's market, it's crucial to price the house right. The goal is to drive high attention to competing buyers and let bidding wars drive the final price up. If you want to sell on your terms for the best price in the least amount of time, today's market sets the stage for you. I'm Dan Murphy, the Long Island Realtor. I'm not too far away.